Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to permanently turn off live photos on your iPhone. So if you go over here, as you can see, if the live photo is turned on accidentally, then how we can turn it off. So we can turn it off completely permanently, and to do this is what you have to do. First of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here in the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the camera. And over here you have to tap on preserve settings. So this is where all kind of your last things will be saved on your camera. For example, if you accidentally just go back from your video settings, video on your camera, and you just come back once again afterwards, you will be on the video camera, right? So those kind of things is where everywhere is saved over here. And you can see there is an option called live photo. What you need to do is you have to turn on the live photo here. Once you turn on the live photo, you just need to go over here, open up a camera. Now from here you have to click on this one, and over here, as you can see, the live photo will be there, and you have to turn it off as well. Now after this, what happens is this will be permanently turned off the live photo on a camera, and whenever the next time when you go back, it will not be here. And if you need it onto the live photo, you have to do it manually like this. You just need to go over here. As you can see, the live photo is turned off because I permanently turned it off. And now if you wanted it back, what you need to do is just need to go over here, tap on the live photo once again so that it will be enabled manually, unless it will all the time turn it off. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.